In this video, I'm going to show you how to publish a Squarespace website. Now, there's two different ways that you can do this. Number one is for those that haven't already purchased a year's hosting with Squarespace. And the second way is for those that have purchased a year's hosting with Squarespace. Now, let's pretend that we haven't purchased a year's hosting with Squarespace. To be able to put this site live, you will see a message down the bottom of the website preview, and it will say your trial ends in X amount of days. Upgrade now to get the most out of your website. But you can also go over to the settings tab on the left hand side and click that. Go over to where it says site availability. And what you'll be able to see is that the public option is grayed out. This is because we are not signed up to a plan and we need to upgrade to be able to publish. So if we actually click upgrade to publish, that's going to present you with a load of different options. The most common two are the personal and the business plans. But if you did have a shop or if you had something a little bit more complex, you can go for one of these two plans. But the ones that most people go for is either the personal or business plan. But let's say we wanted to select the business plan. You could just go ahead and click select. You'll then pick whether you want to pay annually or monthly. You click confirm. And then what you need to do is pop in your billing and your card details in the left hand side. And then you can go ahead and purchase a 1-year business plan annual subscription to Squarespace. Now, once you have done this, and this is the second place for people that have already paid for this subscription, this public option will now be available. And to publish your website, you need to basically take it from private, which it will be currently selected to public, and go ahead and click save your changes. And from here, you'll get a confirmation screen to say that your website is now live with the URL down below. And if we actually go ahead and click copy and paste it into our Google bar, we can see that our website is now published on the internet, as you can see.